Presenting the Oneida FTVE Edition 43-inch Smart LED TV that comes with Full HD resolution. This TV is also available in 32-inch HD-ready variant. With Full HD resolution, you can see the fine details and textures with vivid colors and clarity. This Oneida FTVE comes with IPS panel that provides accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. It also comes with Lucent Picture Engine technology that gives you rich, high-definition picture clarity. This Oneida FTVE comes with built-in Fire TV experience, including a voice remote with Alexa that lets you control your TV through voice commands. With a display mirroring feature, the television allows you to cast your mobile device's content to your much bigger TV screen. The multi-core processor comes with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage, making the TV much faster for streaming high-quality videos, downloading apps, or playing graphic-intensive games seamlessly. This Oneida TV comes with wireless Bluetooth connectivity that lets you connect your Bluetooth-enabled devices to the TV. The TV has 3 HDMI ports and 1 USB port, allowing you to connect multiple devices to your smart TV. The 16-watt speaker with Dolby and DTS True Sound gives you a theater-like surround sound experience. This TV comes with tabletop stand, wall mount bracket, user manual, warranty card and remote control. The TV comes with standard 1-year brand warranty. It comes with free installation and demo. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.